guys, welcome back to my channel Happily Handmade by Janani. So today I am up with part 3 of Learn Crochet with Me series. Today I am going to teach you how to make a half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. I moved all of these to a new video because the other part 2 video was getting too long. I hope you have practiced all the stitches that were taught in that video. So now let's move on and dive into the tutorial. So I am going to teach you how to make a half double crochet. So here I have made a slip knot and I've made a few chains, and then I am going to make half double crochet. So for half double crochet, after this number of chains that was mentioned in the pattern or whatever you're following, you need to make 2 more stitches, 2 more chains. So these are the 2 extra chains that we made. This gives the height for the half double crochet. So you need to skip these 2 chains and start from the 3rd chain for a half double crochet. So for this, for single crochet we just directly insert it into the V, but for half double crochet, double crochet or triple crochet, any of these, we'll first yarn over and then insert. So first we need to yarn over and insert it in the 3rd chain, 1, 2 and 3. So here insert it in between the V's, again yarn over and pull up a loop. So for half double crochet you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is a half double crochet. So you need to yarn over first and insert in between the V's, yarn over again, pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is how a half double crochet is made. Yarn over, insert it inside the V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So next we're going to move to double crochet. So for double crochet also you need to make 2 extra chains and yarn over, skip the 2 chains and go into the 3rd chain, insert it in between the V, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops like this, and you'll have 2 more loops, yarn over and pull through both these loops. So this is a double crochet. Again yarn over, insert it inside the V, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So this is how a double crochet is made. So I'll make a few more double crochets for you to see. So in this you need to yarn over and pull through 2 times. So in half double crochet we did it 1 time. So in double crochet we're doing it 2 times. So that's why it's called a double crochet. So yes, this is how double crochets look. Keep practicing it and you will get it right. These stitches are very beautiful. At first your stitches won't be so even and it will be tight, some stitches will be loose, and that's completely fine. You can just keep going on like this, making a square, and by the end of the square you will get it right. Okay, now let's move on to triple crochet. So now let's learn how to make a triple crochet. For triple crochet you need to make 3 extra chains. So I'm making 3 extra chains, and now you will be inserting your hook in the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you'll be inserting it here. Before that, for a triple crochet you need to yarn over 2 times, 1 and 2. So yarn over 2 times and insert it in the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, insert it inside the 4th chain. So yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops, Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this is how a triple crochet looks. I'm going to make one more. Yarn over 2 times, insert inside the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So this is how you make a triple crochet. I'll make a few more. So now we have learned how to make a triple crochet, a double crochet and a half double crochet. So if you want to learn the stitches very properly, then try to make a square out of it. So you go until the end of this row and again you come back like this and you need to make a square out of this. So by the time you finish the square, you would have got a very good practice for the stitches. You can do this for any of the stitches, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, any stitch, and you can just practice. Try to make a square. Do not miss any stitch in between. You have to go into every stitch here, and I'll tell you how to turn from this space. Okay, I'll now teach you how to turn so that you can make squares and practice these stitches very well. So if you can see, I have completed nearly all the chains. I still have 2 more chains left. You need to go until the very end. You need to make triple crochet until the last stitch. So this is the last stitch here. So now I have completed till the last stitch. So this is a row of triple crochets. So to turn and make the next row, you need to make 3 chains like we did in the first to give height. So if you're making this in a single crochet, you can make chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, chain 2 and triple crochet, chain 3, and just turn the project like this. So after you flip it around, again you need to start doing the same thing. So yarn over twice and you need to insert it in the first chain here. Don't get confused and go here because then you'll be missing this chain. So just go into the first chain that you see here. So into the first chain and make triple crochets or any stitch that you're doing as usual. So just go into the next. So you need to go inside the V's here that you can see on top. So I'll show you. Inside the V's here, you should not go inside this like this. No, you need to go from the side. You need to go into both of these. Just go inside both of these. So now you just have to continue going like this until the very last stitch and on until you make a square or rectangle. To learn all of this very well, you can easily do any project by seeing the tutorials on YouTube. So that's it. I'll be teaching more things in the upcoming parts. Until then, these are the basic stitches and you need to just keep practicing them until you get it right and start making projects, and as you go you will be improving a lot. So that's all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such crochet tutorials and yarn hauls. Until I meet you back in another video, it's bye from Janani.